Coffee, sometimes known as the pick-me-up, greatly improves life. The aroma of freshly made coffee has a certain enchantment. You can actually feel your day getting started since the scent is so potent. For the majority of us, that latte is what keeps us feeling good. However, are you a health nut as well? Let's talk about making your morning coffee into a weight loss beverage in today's video. Do you want to add cloves? How about butter and lemon? We're talking about all of that and more. 1. Black coffee. Most of us enjoy coffee. 1. Black coffee because it makes you feel cozy. But does your typical cup of coffee contain a lot of sugar and cream? And those whipped cream lattes won't taste nice either. Black coffee might significantly impact your weight loss efforts. Another cup of coffee is the one thing that complements it the most. Therefore, you should stay away from those cakes and donuts. Approximately 146 billion cups of coffee are consumed annually in America by coffee drinkers. Without a doubt, the most well-liked energy drink is this one. An excellent low-calorie choice is black coffee. Coffee offers fewer than 5 calories per cup. Even while you're standing still, it can increase metabolism and burn calories. Regular coffee drinkers report feeling fuller longer and avoiding food cravings, according to studies. Coffee can even motivate you to work out harder. Who wouldn't want that now? Have you experienced increased energy levels following a pre-workout beverage strong in caffeine? Start a discussion with our ever-expanding bestie community too, by leaving a remark below. Coffee that is bulletproof, the keto trend has been popular for a long time. This coffee is meant to be consumed in place of breakfast. Simply combine in a single cup of freshly brewed coffee, 2 tablespoons of grass-fed unsalted butter or ghee, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Whip 2. Impervious to bullets. In only a few minutes, your creamy beverage that resembles a latte will be ready. When people get out of bed in the morning, they prefer to have it warm. Because coconut oil contains medium-chain triglyceride fats, this is the rationale behind its use. Another name for this oil is MCT oil. It takes longer for your body to break it down. According to a study, this oil helps people lose weight more effectively than other types of fat. According to some, a little of salt can improve flavor and prevent muscle cramps while preserving electrolyte balance. The ketogenic diet states that your body turns to excess fat as a substitute energy source when carbohydrates are absent. Because of this, having this coffee for breakfast will result in an excessive amount of calories and weight gain. This coffee can help you focus better and feel fuller longer, preventing you from reaching for bad food. However, this is only effective for a limited time. Avoiding nutrient-dense fruits and vegetables can cause severe malnutrition. Searching for information about the newest developments in wellness and health? Click subscribe to become one of our millions of followers. Keep up with all of our fantastic bestie stuff. 3. Cloves. A classic method to enhance the aroma of your coffee is to add spices. It will undoubtedly improve the enjoyment and healthfulness of your cup of coffee. In ancient Eastern medicine, this spice holds a special place as a traditional tonic. It is rich in manganese, calcium, and other macronutrients, as well as vitamins K, C, and E. 3. Cloves. Add a few cloves to your coffee grinds and allow the mixture to brew. It is well known that cloves contain anti-inflammatory qualities. It also aids in the reduction of stubborn fat. It lowers high blood sugar levels following meals. It is therefore the ideal additive for people with diabetes. But watch out that you don't go too far. It prolongs the blood's time to clot. Stay away from this spice if you take blood thinners on a daily basis. Altogether. Additionally, search for another coffee alternative if you have bleeding issues or are scheduled for surgery. Other spices, such as cardamom, star anise, or grated nutmeg, may also be added. They will provide you with an abundance of beneficial plant nutrients. Maybe adding a little spice to your coffee is the new fat loss strategy. Learn more about burning those calories before we continue. See the top 13 strategies for reducing stubborn abdominal fat. 4. Green coffee. Green tea's health benefits are well known, But what about green coffee? Green coffee beans are just ordinary coffee beans that haven't been roasted. Green, most supermarkets carry coffee bean extract powder. Green coffee is superior to ordinary coffee because of a phenolic compound known as chlorogenic acid, pronounced chlorogenic. Approximately 12 to 14% for green coffee and 2 to 4% for normal, eco-friendly coffee. It is a wonder molecule that lowers blood pressure, controls blood sugar, and aids in weight management. It is also recognized to possess certain antioxidant qualities. Coffee's chlorogenic concentration can be directly impacted by roasting. More roasting weakens it by removing the compounds that reduce weight. Green coffee extract has been linked to weight loss in studies. The chlorogenic acid maintains the control's bad cholesterol, eliminates fat and sugar, and lessens the absorption of carbohydrates. You will see benefits within a few days because the overall effect is so potent. At health stores, similar extracts are offered as pills. 5. Coffee with dark lemon. For years, people have been debating whether coffee is good or bad. Coffee isn't always unhealthy. What you put in it determines how good or awful it is. Coffee can be an excellent source of antioxidants and other minerals like potassium, magnesium, and niacin for the typical American diet. These are excellent for improving the health of your muscles, digestive tract, and heart. 6. Coffee with cinnamon. Try adding a pinch of cinnamon for a unique take on your next cup of coffee. This strong spice has numerous health advantages in addition to enhancing flavor. You can definitely imagine the flavor characteristic of this beverage if you typically consume cinnamon buns with your coffee. Without the sugar, it's fairly similar. Cinnamon is inexpensive and simple to incorporate into your daily routine. Simply get ready for 6. Coffee with cinnamon. Add a quarter teaspoon of ground cinnamon to your usual cup of coffee. If using cinnamon sticks, try boiling them with your coffee water before adding freshly ground coffee powder. The distinct sweetness of cinnamon prevents you from feeling the need to add additional sugar. It is excellent for all diabetics since it helps control blood sugar levels. Cinnamaldehyde, pronounced cinnamaldehyde, is the chemical that gives cinnamon its wonderful flavor. Your brain is calmed down by it. The combination of cinnamon and coffee will have a powerful fat-cutting effect. Your waist will visibly shrink, and your metabolism will be accelerated. It can gradually burn fat and eliminate the body's harmful cholesterol. 7. Cocoa mocha lovers, rejoice now! The most delicious way to lose weight is to mix dark chocolate or cocoa into your usual coffee. For this miracle to occur, the cocoa powder must be unsweetened. There won't be many calories in even the unsweetened kind. However, they will be in good health. Theobromine, a key component of cocoa, works in tandem with caffeine to target fat cells and burn calories. 8. Cocoa. Because it naturally reduces your appetite, cocoa can help you drop those extra pounds. It also provides you with a wealth of other vital nutrients. It enhances muscle activity and focuses fat metabolism. The excess fat in your midsection, thighs, lower abdomen, and underarms burns quickly. Additionally, polyphenols included in cocoa beans help lower blood pressure, regulate blood sugar, enhance cholesterol, and strengthen the heart and brain. Additionally, the antioxidants slow down your body's aging process. If you could lose a few pounds as you slept, wouldn't that be fantastic? Are you curious? How about we continue the discussion with a few more fat-burning videos? Watch the top 11 non-cardio strategies to reduce body fat in a few months, or 12 ways to burn fat and lose weight as you sleep. Click one now. Better yet, watch both to find out more about weight loss. Have you tasted any of these coffees? Tell us in the comments section below.